So, what did you have in your lunch?
Hmm. I had uh, दाल भात and बंधा गोभी की सब्जी.
Who cooked today lunch?
My mother cooked.
What's your name?
Saima.
Saima. How much money is in your account?
I don't know.
You don't know. You have never checked your account.
No.
It's not your personal account.
It's my personal account, but I can never check my account.
You have never checked your account. Why?
Because no need to check it.
Because it is not linked with your Aadhaar card.
It is linked. It is linked, but I didn't check because I don't need. But when I need money, I ask my parents.
So, do you have any idea that how much could be?
I think it 10,000.
10,000. This is too much. So, how much money do you spend on yourself in a month?
I have no idea because I can't total that.
You have never counted ever. Okay.
And I am here to ask some random questions from random people. Hi,
Hello.
what's your name?
This is Ahmed.
What are your goal in your life?
Actually, I want to be an marketing manager or a finance manager, etc. So I want to pursue an MBA.
And with which purpose did you join the Speak Well?
Actually, when I started speaking English, I realized that I have to learn and I have to improve myself. That is why I joined Speak Well to improve my personality and communication skills too.
For achieving your goal, what are you doing right now? What type of activities you are going to perform?
As of now, I'm not working hard because I'm busy in my another work, in my household work. So I'm not working hard, but because my exam was near hand, part one exam, that is why I was preparing for that. So I will continue after part one.
From which stream?
Science stream, zoology honors. Yes.
Have you any girlfriend?
No, I'm still single, no doubt.
Anyone has you broken your heart?
Because
I think you are your face is the index of a man, and you are. I'm reading your face that you are very innocent. That's why I'm asking such type of questions from you.
no, I don't mind actually. Keep it far, please. So I don't mind. You can ask anything, obviously, because you are my classmate too. So as I said that I'm still single. It doesn't mean that I'm not interested in love, Shav. It doesn't mean, but I'm still single.
Tell something about your director, sir. Who is the director of Speak Well?
There is only one director, one principal, and one teacher, who is Rohit sir.
Could you want to tell something about him?
Yeah, of course. The way he speaks, the way he make us understand is really remarkable, no doubt. And he's not only our teacher; he's our motivation too. So we all have learned a lot of things to him. And the most important thing what I learned to him that the way he speaks is really remarkable, really good, and his whenever he speaks very with calmness, this is very important thing.
What's your name?
Praveen Pankaj.
Uh, what do you do for your hair growth?
I'm taking amla,
Yes.
and I take aloe vera and Morinda cetrifolia.
Yes.
That's why up to this year, up to this age, my hair is becoming not so much gray. And I sometimes I eat it like Silajit, Chyawanprash in winter. Yeah.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use a smartphone.
So what did you search on your Google last time?
The lecture of B.K. Shivani, she is the representative of Om Shanti.
Om Santi.
Yes, the Om Shanti is a religious mission
Yes.
which works on spirituality.
And And what did you search on YouTube last time?
I told you I searched
YouTube, not Google.
YouTube. I'm telling about the YouTube. I heard the speech of
Yes, what did you search on Google now?
what is the contact number of SP of Darbhanga. Because I went for I left for police station, and I thought that if the Thana Prabhari don't take any such type of action, I will call to the SP of Darbhanga. That's why I searched the last time the contact number of Superintendent of Police.